So today I'm going to be doing kind of an unboxing and review of the Armz Tactical Universal Gun Cleaning Kit. What I'm going to be comparing this to is the Otis cleaning kit, which runs about $120, $130, brand new. This kit ran me $29.99 prime shipping. So I have high hopes. I've used some Armz Tactical equipment in the past, and they've always been top quality, so I have high hopes of this product. I'm going to start here by just moving this rifle. It's just sitting here. I was just aligning the scope for a different project there. And yeah, as you can see, this has never been unwrapped. It's still got the plastic on it. It's got kind of a Plano hard clamshell casing, which is, pretty awesome. I always like things that come into hard shells. The Otis kit does come in more of a duffel bag type cleaning kit. I'm not going to be cleaning any firearms today with this kit. As I mentioned previously, this is just an unboxing and review of the actual contents of the kit here. Excuse the messy workbench. You know how it is, I'm sure. So let's go ahead, and one thing I want to investigate are the quality of the snaps, because a lot of the times with these cases, the snaps are of poor quality, and yeah, that's a pretty solid snap. I don't feel like those are going to bust or break anytime soon. Alright, so let's see here. Looks like the first thing I notice is we've got some high quality brushes here. That's pretty awesome. We've got a parts diagram here. We have the different bore bristles. We have a little bottle to get lube where you really need it. Some silica gel, you know how important that is. Remember not to eat this, alright? It's a little joke. You've got some swabs here. You've got some muslin cloth cleaners for your bore. That's actually something that the Otis kit does not come with, to my recollection. You have your swabs, you have your bore bristles, all the way up to 50 cal. It does look like some of the stuff got tossed around during shipping, but that's no one's fault, really. You've got all kinds of different sizes for your patches and your bores. It overall looks pretty quality. There's some more patches. There's no gun lube included in this. That is something that was included with the Otis kit, was some of this Spartan Accuracy oil, but honestly, that's not that big of a deal. If you're buying a gun cleaning kit, you probably have gun oil on hand, at least motor oil or mineral spirits or something like that, that you can use as a substitution. Yeah, overall, the quality of this kit is comparable, especially for the price point of $30. You know, for $30, that's a night out at Denny's for two people. The Otis kit, $125, has a couple more bells and whistles, but honestly, this is pretty comparable. It is definitely towards the higher end of your basic kits, especially for the price point. I mean, you're going to be paying the same price point for one of those old orange box kits, essentially, and it's going to have less material. I'm really impressed by these brushes. I mean, you've got a brass wire brush, brass steel brush, and a brass, or not a brass, a bristle brush here. A steel bristle brush and a brass bristle brush as well. So that's going to be great for cleaning up firearms. That's not something that the Otis kit comes with. It does come with a bristle brush to kind of card steel a little bit, but you've got extensions, you've got your T-handle. This is everything you need, and it's at a very comparable price, so I would definitely give this a 5 out of 5 review. Hands down. I mean, it's a no-brainer. This is at a great price point.